Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first video and I hope you all will support me. So today's topic is Jagannath Puri, a mysterious temple of in India. Let's start. Jagannath Puri temple is one of the famous temples of the India. Jagannath Puri is situated on the sea beach in Odisha state. It is a beautiful city. There is an interesting tale about the temple is that once upon a time Raja Indradumna ordered his men to search for a Neel Madhav. Here Neel Madhav is yellow stone idol of Lord Vishnu from a dense forest. At the center of the forest was a Neelchal mountain and Rohini Kund. Near the Kund was the temple of Lord Vishnu. Once Brahman saw this temple when he was going with a real native of the jungle. There he saw a dead cow going to heaven. He also tried to commit suicide, but there was an oracle which ordered him to go to the kings and tell that he should not forget Lord Rama and instead of flowers and fruits he should offer a cooked rice and sweet. After some time, the king also came over there, but he could not see the deity due to his foulness. He felt repentant and started vigorous self mortification. One day, someone told him his dream that he could see the deity but not in shape of an idol, rather in shape of wood. After some days, king saw a wooden block floating in the sea. He got a lifted from the sea and ordered to make an idol from it. The idol was yet to be completed. When, again in his dream, someone told him that he would like to remain in the same shape. The king constructed a beautiful temple and established three wooden idols in it. These three idols are Jagannath, Subhadra, and Balrama. Here, Balrama is the brother of Lord Krishna, and Subhadra is the sister of Arjuna, who is wife of Lord Krishna. These idols are in their original shape even today. The Jagannath temple is on a high hillock. It is called Nilgiri. It has four doors. The eastern door is the main door, and there is a black colored Garuda pillar of 10.5-meter height. In its eastern side is a Nitya temple, Bhog temple, and one of the front side, Baramada. On the southern side of the temple, there is an ideal Kali Yuga, and on its top is the Neel Chakra flag. There are many ponds, out of which Makarandev and Swet Ganga, Parvati, Indradhamna, etc. are very famous. On the western side of the inner part of temple, there is a Ratna Devi which is about 1.25 meter in height and about 5 meter in length. Above the Vedis is Sudarshan Chakra of 2 meters diameter. On its right side are the wooden idol of Jagannath, Subhadra and Balrama. On the left and right side of the Lord Jagannatha are the idols of Lakshmi and Satyabhama. They are also the wife of Lord Krishna. Indradumna's idol are in front of the idol of Lord Jagannatha. The whole scene is very beautiful. The deity's adoration ceremony starts early in the morning. Its clothes are changed many a time during the day. The makeup is done after our adoration ceremony, and the one done at dusk is treated as an important one. There is a total untouchability. All the people receive and eat the offerings made to the deity. There is a saying about this which means that cooked rice at Jagannath temple is to be distributed among devotees without distinction between of their caste and creed. The main offering in Jagannath is made of cooked rice and pulses. In the morning, puris and malpuga. They are the delicious Indian food are also offered. The unique feature of the offering is that it is cooked in earthen pots. Earthen pots means the pot are made by the mud. There are many small and big temples in Puri. 5 Mahadevas, names as Lord Shiva, Bid Loknath, Tapeshwar, Nilkanth, Kapal Mochan, and Markandeshwar are the famous in this city. Millions of people from the India and abroad come here every year to have a glimpses of the deity. The Jagannath temple is always crowded, but during the famous Rath Yatra, huge crowd gather there to have the glimpses of the idol of Lord Jagannatha, Subhadra, and Balarama, which are taken out in the procession on the huge Rath in chariot.